To replace the motor shaft seal on your G20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 5mm hex wrench, remove the 4 bolts on the cover plate and the bolt located on the back of the pump housing. Separate the pump housing and fittings from the drive shaft. Remove the motor shaft seal from the pump housing. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. To reinstall, lubricate the seal with a lightweight motor oil. Using a 5/8" socket, press the new motor shaft seal evenly into the pump housing. Ensure the shaft seal is inserted in the orientation shown. Then reinstall the pump housing and gear cover plate.